and welcome to this session on practice in different types of manicure and pedicure. Let's begin. At the end of this session, you will be able to understand the different types of manicure and pedicure treatment, understand the purpose of clean and properly shaped nails. Tools and equipment required for the process includes the following: climb chair, manicure stool, manicure table, manicure tray, manicure bowl, infrared lamp, a hot plate, medium-sized bowl, electric manicure kit, a orange wood stick, emery board, magnifying glass, a cuticle pusher, a cuticle clipper, a nail brush, nail scissors, nail buffer, a spatula, pedi spa, a foot file, a toenail clipper, and a pedicure clipper. Materials required for the process is as follows: cotton, nail varnish remover, cuticle oil or cream, whitening pencil, cuticle remover, nail bleaches, nail strengthener, hand lotion and cream, top coat, base coat, liquid hand wash, H2O2 as required, manicure shampoo, vegetable oil, foot cream, foot powder, paper and cotton towels. Let's begin with a definition of manicure and pedicure, as well as their various forms. Manicure and pedicure are spa treatments which are a way to pamper oneself. These processes will leave your hands and feet clean and relaxed. Some of the types of manicure and pedicure are as follows: French manicure and pedicure, shellac manicure and pedicure, basic manicure and pedicure, gel manicure and pedicure, paraffin wax manicure and pedicure, and hot stone manicure and pedicure. Let us first understand about the French manicure and pedicure process. French manicure is quite popular among all ages. It involves all the steps of a regular manicure, which are soaking, trimming, filing of nails, massaging and moisturizing, followed by a nail paint. Spa manicure and pedicure. It is a regular manicure and pedicure process that involves soaking of hands or feet in warm water, pushing back of the cuticles, followed by trimming and filing of nails. Later, a lotion massage is done and nail paint is applied. Basic manicure and pedicure. It is a regular manicure and pedicure process followed by a hydrating mask or an aromatic salt rub to the hand and feet, which is very relaxing. Gel or shellac manicure and pedicure. Gel manicures last long. It is a low maintenance yet the stylish option for nail health and beauty. Gel manicure does not demand frequent visit to salons for manicure sessions. It just involves the use of a special nail polish which is cured under UV light for a very long lasting effect. Stone manicure and pedicure. In the hot stone manicure process, special stones which insulate heat are used to massage the hands and feet, followed by a regular manicure and pedicure. The next step is electric manicure. In this manicure, electric equipment is used instead of hands. Most of the activities of the process are done using special electric equipment. Now, let's carry out the procedure of an electric manicure. Start the procedure with the left hand. If there are any calluses, remove them with the callus smoother. Fill the free edges and treat the rough skin. Process the nail wall during manicure and pedicure alignment and grind the nail plate. To use a big cylindrical diamond nozzle, turn on the device, press on the on or off button. Choose and install a nozzle depending on the stage that you are on now. A medium cylindrical diamond nozzle is used for nail design, preparation of the nail for studs, installation, and filing the skin around the nail plate. A diamond cylindrical pointed bullet nozzle is used for the treatment of nail walls during pedicure and manicure. A flame-shaped diamond nozzle is used to remove the dead skin with the help of sand bits. There are 6 sand bits in the set with different grades. The next step is to shape the nails. Use an emery disc. Hold it at a 45-degree angle and move it from the corner to the center to shape the nails. After finishing these 2 steps, now soak the left hand in the warm water and let it sit for 10 minutes. In the meantime, you can repeat these steps with the right hand. Once it is done, clean and dry the left hand. Use a cotton-tipped orange wood stick to apply the cuticle softener to the left hand. Lift the cuticle from the corner to the center using the cuticle lifter. If there are any hangnails, remove them using a cuticle nipper. Once it is done, the next step is to apply cuticle cream. Spread the cream to the tips of the fingers and rub it gently. Following the cuticle cream, apply hand lotion and massage it from the wrist of the hand to the tips of the fingers. Holding the brush flat against the nails, wash the nails on the index hand. Next, dry the left hand, check the nail once again and polish it if required. Once this is done, apply a base coat to the nail. Repeat all the above steps to the right hand. Now, here comes the final step. Apply nail polish to both the hands. Remember to always start with the left hand and then go to the right. If required, apply an extra top coat and that's it. You're done. Once the process is completed, do not forget to clean up and sanitize the table and all the equipment used. Remember that the equipment used in the electric manicure is powered by electricity, so take caution while using it. Tools, instruments, bowls, dishes and other equipment used in the process should be washed thoroughly in warm water and detergent. Always follow the instructions when using a disinfectant. Also, remember to rinse the equipment in clean water to remove any residue before drying.
We are at the end of the session. Let's recap manicure and pedicure. French manicure and pedicure, spa manicure and pedicure, gel or shellac manicure and pedicure, stone manicure and pedicure, and electric manicure are the few types of manicure and pedicure procedures. Electric manicure from removing callus to applying top coat.